How to hide and unhide applications on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to hide or unhide apps on iPhone, here is what should be done. In order to hide any application, here is the process. First of all, head over to the app and then long press it. Long pressing the application will give you 4 options. From there, tap on the option to require Face ID. Tapping on it, tap on second option of hide and require Face ID. Doing so will now hide the application, which means you won't receive any calls, notification or alerts, and it will not be visible on your iPhone screen as well. Once that is done, tap on hide app. Now to unhide it, head over to the app library. In order to go so, you have to swipe towards the left. Then, if you scroll down a bit, you will see hidden section. Tap on it, which will ask you for Face ID to unhide. Now, if you long press the application again or tap on it, your application should open. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.